Have you come across such an incident, or do you know someone who's come across such an incident?
Oh
Well, apparently, this has happened to me recently. Yes, I managed to get my phone back to its perfect working condition. How? When water falls on your mobile, first thing is you would switch it off. It didn't work with me, so I left it as it is. And then you would wipe your mobile with tissue or towel in this way, especially the spots where you all use the headphones or the charging cables. Those places you all will wipe properly and try to tap it a bit on it on the towel or the tissue. Don't bang it hardly, just a slight dab so that if there's any excess water on the sides, it will come off. Now, if you bang it hardly, what will happen is if there's water on top, it might move down because of the banging. So, just a slight dab on your tissue paper or towel. Then, if you all have a vacuum cleaner, using a thin straw or a nozzle like this, keeping it far from your mobile, the sides where you charge it and plug in your earphones, try to use it there. Don't use a hair dryer, that will melt the parts inside your mobile. Now I am putting in the mobile completely inside the rice. You'll have to do the same. Either put your mobile with rice in a Ziploc bag. You need to leave your mobile in there for 48 hours and then it should start working thereafter. If not, you would need to give it for repairing. Now I would advise, if you all can, then to get a waterproof casing for your mobile, because since you'll spend so much on your mobile, might as well cover it with a waterproof cover. These tips, these tricks of saving your mobile, giving it a second life, is something which we have come across quite commonly. But then the reason why I am sharing it with you once again is because I have personally gone through this experience, gone through this whole process, and I felt it was worth it to be shared with others because it helped my phone revive or get a second life. So, hopefully, if anytime you or someone else you know might come across such a situation, you can reach out to an immediate assistance with this hack. Do let me know in the comments section if you all like today's hack. For those of y'all who are visiting my channel here for the first time or have forgotten to click on the subscribe button, I would like to request y'all to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that y'all get updates each and every time I post a new video. If y'all have any suggestions or would like to share with us anything interesting, do get in touch with us on our social media sites, or y'all can even send us an email. That's all on today's hack. I'll see you next time on another new episode on How Hacks.